Hello everyone, we are Team Hack Hunters presenting our solution for problem ID SIH1753, optimizing the road transport network for the Department of Post. Our solution, Dakghar Parivahan Portal, provides a streamlined web and mobile platforms. It integrates real-time GPS tracking, AI-driven route optimization, and secure communication to connect 3PL partners, truck operators, and post office staff. Let's start with the 3PL partner login. Both web and app version allows 3PL partners to secure login using their mobile number and OTP. Once login, they can seamlessly manage booking and track shipments. After login, 3PL partner enter their business details and proceed to book their parcel by selecting routes. By entering the starting point and destination, their routes selection page which displays available trucks details and real-time availability. This ensures they book the most efficient route with the right capacity. Next, clicking on the book now, they enter the parcel details page. They are entering the goods details such as weight, dimension and type, and are presented with an estimated delivery time and shipping cost. After confirming, they click on Pay Now, and upon successful payment, a unique 3PL code is generated. This 3PL code allows them to track the shipment through the system, providing transparency and real-time update through the delivery process. The loading staff receives real-time notification on truck arrival, ensuring parcels are loaded efficiently. The system automatically tracks truck capacity and parcel weight using backend API. From the dashboard, the admin can manage parcels, track shipments by 3PL code or truck number, and monitor truck operators. Additionally, the admin can generate real-time reports and analytics, providing insights into daily, weekly, or monthly shipments. Also, admin can schedule pickup and delivery and can communicate with the 3PL partners. Truck operators plays a key role in our system by enabling real-time GPS tracking. The operators can continuously update the system on their truck location. Using ML-based traffic management system, we calculate the real-time estimation, time of arrival, ensuring that deliveries are on time. If there are any delays, alternate routes are automatically suggested to save time and fuel. For the 3PL receivers, our app allows them to log in using 3PL code, track their parcels, download invoice, and upload final receipt, confirm their availability, and confirm the parcel receipt status, all from a user-friendly dashboard. Real-time communication between truck operators, 3PL partners, and post office admins is made possible through WebRTC libraries. This ensures that the updates such as route changes or parcel status are instantly shared across the network. Additionally, all communication and data transfer are secured using OpenSSL encryption, safeguarding the logistics data from unauthorized access. Our platform also features AI-powered chatbot that is available 24/7. It resolves user queries, provides parcel tracking updates, and assists with booking process all in real time.